Are you tired of being forced to log in with a Microsoft account every time you set up a new Windows 11 device? Let me show you how to bypass the Windows 11 Microsoft account login stage and create a local user instead. Let's start. First, when you reach Let's Connect You to a Network screen, you will notice that the I don't have internet option is not available. Then press Shift plus F10 to open the Windows command. Once command prompt opens, type in the following command OOBE/bypass nro and press enter. This will restart the computer and also restart the Windows 11 setup process. This time when it gets to the Let's Connect You to a Network screen, there will be an option for I don't have internet. Click on that and it will take you to the next window to create a local user. Enter your desired username and password for your local account. Remember, this account will give you full access to your device without the need for a Microsoft account. Once you have created your local account, continue with the setup process. You will be able to customize your settings and get right into using your new Windows 11 without any hassle. If you ever decide you want to use a Microsoft account later, you can easily add one through the settings. Just go to Accounts and select your info to link your Microsoft account whenever you are ready. And there you have it. You have successfully bypassed the Windows 11 24H2 requirement for a Microsoft account using the out-of-box experience method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Have any questions or run into issues? Drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.